She doesn't compete with the sky. She flows and gathers beneath her, reflecting the sky back up to her. She doesn't compete with the ground. She's held in, cradled by the ground. She's carved her way through, across, and under the ground, working together. She doesn't compete with the trees. She waters and supports them, yet she doesn't exist for them. She simply is, roaring in places when she's making her way down a mountain over rocks. She roars. In other places, she's deep and silent, running so deep underground, no one even knows she's there. She is always unapologetically here.